Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video features the Reebot Robotics UniPod MT11 thermal imaging test in an underground parking garage. The Reebot Robotics UniPod MT11 is a professional mini 4-sensor AI gimbal pod that integrates a wide-angle camera, zoom camera, thermal imaging camera, and laser rangefinder, suitable for various application scenarios. The MT11's infrared camera offers a 640,512 resolution, and its AI super resolution technology can further enhance the thermal image quality. In the garage, it can accurately capture the heat sources and temperatures of each vehicle. That's all for today's Reebot Robotics UniPod MT11 underground parking thermal imaging test. Thank you for watching and for your continued support. See you in the next video.